Hey kids, today we're talking about the fall of Constantinople. Let's begin. The fall of Constantinople was the capture of the Byzantine capital by Ottoman forces on the 29th of May, 1453. The city fell after 53 days of siege, which started on April 6, 1453. The Ottomans were led by a 21-year-old Sultan Mehmed II, while Byzantine forces were led by Emperor Constantine XI Palaiologos. The fall of Constantinople and the annexation of the Byzantine Empire is considered the end of the medieval period. The siege caused a large shift in military doctrine because the walls that protected Constantinople were considered the best in the world, and they were easily overcome by gunpowder-based weaponry, specifically large-bore artillery and a special kind of cannon called bombards. Once the walls were breached, atrocities were committed on a large scale. The Ottomans pillaged the city, although most of the riches were taken by the Venetians in 1204. The Ottomans murdered tens of thousands of Christians and captured as many as 60,000 Christians to be sold as slaves. Rape was everywhere during the pillage. Girls as young as 14 and even nuns weren't safe, and their brutality had religious undertones since the majority of the rapes occurred in every single church in the city. Even the leader of the Ottomans was appalled by what he saw and was brought to tears when witnessing the destruction in the city. On the third day of the pillage, the Ottoman leader Mehmed II declared that all Christians who had avoided capture could leave hiding without danger, and also that every captured Christian was to be released. He also ordered all looting to stop. The Hagia Sophia was converted into a mosque, but the Greek Orthodox Church was still allowed to exist. After the fall of Constantinople, the city was made the capital of the Ottoman Empire. 400 years later, after World War I, and despite Greek assistance in the war, under the failed partition of Turkey, Greece would never have gotten Constantinople back. The partition would have went through, but Turkey fought their war of independence and won, so the partition failed. And Greece will most likely never get Constantinople back. Drink your water and stay hydrated.